So now you're a pro at phase 4 and you're ready for phase 5, Daisy to dogs. Let's ignore this secret message and solve phase 5. If you've ever solved the 3x3, this will be pretty easy. It goes from Daisy, then White Plus, and then the Lost Dogs. If you can go from a scrambled cube and get to this point in under 20 minutes, then go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go to the description and click on phase 6. So here's an example solved for phase 3, Daisy to dogs. Most of you will already know how to do this, but in case you want to know what it looks like, I'm going to show you. And I'm also going to be showing you as if you're really struggling with this. So I'm going to go nice and slow. If you want to speed up the video, go ahead, speed it up, or just skip this part if you know what you're doing. Again, if you can solve this all the way to this point in 20 minutes, then go ahead and move on to phase 6. So let's do it. We're making the daisy. Here's the middle of the daisy, which is the yellow side, and we're going to put 4 white petals around it. Here's this one's already done. Let's find those other petals. Here's one. I'm going to bring that up. And we have a petal here. So we just have to get this petal to this point. We're just going to bring it down in front of us and then move it forward like so. And then for this last petal, it needs to go up here. So we need to make sure this is moved to have a free spot. And now, guess what? We just made the daisy. From here, it's pretty easy. The side of our petal is red here, so we're going to take it to the red side. Now that that's all lined up correctly, we're going to rip off this petal by doing a flip. This is a green petal, so we're going to take it to the green side. And then we flip that side. Okay, here is a white and blue petal, so we'll take it to the blue side. Flip that. And there is orange is already lined up. We're going to take off that petal. Now the daisy has no petals. We're going to turn the cube upside down, and there is the white plus. Now we just have to do the dogs. So do we already have any dogs at the bottom? Yes, we do. Here, this is a white and green. So it's a dog with a green tail, white face. So we take his tail to the color. Okay, so his tail is now flush with his side. And now he's going to hide the direction he faces. His face is white, so he's facing this way. All the dog faces are white. And this one is facing left, so he hides left. The farmer comes down looking for him, calls his name, the dog comes out, and they go back to the top of that hill. Now we have this dog with a blue tail. We take him to the blue side. His tail is flush with the blue side, but he's facing to the right, so he hides that way. The farmer comes down, and the dog comes out of hiding, and they go back to the top of that hill. Okay, any more? So there's one here. Let's bring him forward because he shouldn't be there. And let's bring him to the back. And we'll fix this side. Now we have a dog here. It is a blue-tailed dog. Now he is flush with the blue side. He hides the way he's facing, which is left. Now we have one more dog. He's right here. Again, he's in the wrong spot. So the easiest way is when he's facing forward like this, you just bring him down, take him to the back, and then we just fix this petal. And now we have our dog here. It's already flush with the red side. He's going to hide the way he's facing, which is left. This farmer comes down. Dog comes out of hiding, and they go to the top of the hill. Once again, if you can go from a scrambled cube and get to this point in under 20 minutes, then go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go to the description and click on Phase 6. Thanks to all my patrons. And thanks to those on the awesome person level. Special thanks to those on the premium person level: Daniel Robbins, Ellen Reggiano, the O'Hearn family, Anna Bankrear, Marquise Thompson, Gregory Chandler.